The first biggest impact is it allowed me to have a safe space where I could, talk about my experience, talk about my learnings with other university students who are going through a similar experience. Coming from year 12, going into uni, there are a lot of uncertainties, a lot of doubts, have I chosen the right degree? Have I chosen the right uni? Am I in the right place? And through the scholarship program, there was a safe space that was created where we could connect with one another. We could talk to each other when we're feeling nervous, when we're feeling scared. So that element, that has had a huge impact personally, but also from a professional lens.
Being able to network and understand that it is your soft skills that will take you to places rather than your technical skills, because they can be built on in the future. So that's one key thing that I've learned through this scholarship for my career and within my studies.
The opportunity we've been given to have these 3 internship placements and the value they've given us to meet new people, make connections, I guess gain confidence, be more comfortable. It's been so much to learn while we've been doing that, and so many different people to meet. It's just been really amazing.
Going out there and actually working in industry, so working on real problems and solving them and seeing the difference and the impact that you make has been very rewarding. It's also just been great to understand how to work in the industry as a professional and the types of people you're working around, and it also has helped me build confidence. Being in the workplace, sometimes you might be the one of few women in the industry, but it's very inspiring.
I get so excited to sponsor this particular degree to support more women into the industry, and just to have that opportunity to create space for different voices. Personally, if I walk into a room and it's all the same type of people, it's not engaging. We want different people and the different voices that everyone brings, and so creating that space is so fantastic to be able to do and be a part of. Yeah, it's been really wonderful to see the journey and be part of it from the beginning, and really see the impact that it's having in the people, and really starting to see that change as we see more women participate.
I remember one of the first outreach sessions that I taught, this young girl in year 8 or so said to me, "You don't look like a STEM person." And that was kind of like a trigger to say, okay, we need more women representing, getting involved, being out there to show that you don't have to sacrifice your femininity to belong in STEM.
We can help students further their career. We've had several of our scholars stay with us through the whole 5 years of their degree, but that's kind of a way of us giving back as well. That's what excites me about it. And the students are so enthusiastic and so smart, and they really help our project teams.
We need to have more diverse people, different people that have grown up with different values, cultures, religion, gender, different experiences, I think. And I think the more that we have engineers that have that background, and the more they come into the working industry, the more they step up to their profession as an engineer, the more we'll have to create our solutions collaborated and cross-functional rather than engineering and the different worlds. So I think it's really important that we continue that. So thank you.